Hello and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to unbox our new camera we have here. That is the Sony ZV E10 for the channel, and that is very cool. So this channel has actually been here, and every time we shoot a video we actually shoot with the mobile phones we have. That is the Pixel 6 and then Pixel 3 XL and then iPhone 8 Plus. So we have actually invested in the new camera, that is the Sony ZV E10, and let's check out what is inside the box. So this is the first box we have here, and then we have some Sony straps here. So we have a lot of paperwork here. We have a lot of them, you can see. Wow, yeah, I have a lot to read. And then we check out the main deal. Okay, so we have the charger here. That's it. And then we are gonna go to this side still, where we have our battery. And then what else do we have? We have the microphone filter to prevent some wind and then air when you are talking. And then we have another charger kit here. All right, that's good. In case you have two different slots, you can just plug it in. And then we have its I think it's strap or something. You can just put it on the camera to hold it. I doubt I will use it. And then we have a Type-C charger or connector or USB, which you can just plug anything to your laptop. And let's see what we have else here. Another battery. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so there's actually an adapter. Okay, there's not a battery, and there's the battery right here. Okay, and let's check out the main deal. And this is our main deal. So I got the one with the kit lens because I wasn't sure I could buy a lens, so I got the one with the kit lens, and that is very cool. So in case you are looking for one to buy or a good camera to buy, I'll lie to you, this is actually a good camera because I've watched a lot of reviews about this camera and it really made me get this one, and I'm happy. Without your support, I don't think this would have been possible, or maybe I would have thought of trying to get a good camera in order to get you guys some good visuals when I'm shooting or when I film a video to you. So from today, this is the camera which is actually going to shoot all the videos on this channel until maybe we get a new upgrade. And I thank you all for being around. I really appreciate you, and I'm really impressed. So I'll actually do a follow-up video on how I'm going to set up this camera in case maybe you want to get it, the settings you need to do before you shoot. I'm actually going to do a follow-up video to show you guys, and that is pretty much very cool. So if this video is very helpful, just like it up and also subscribe to the channel, and you can check this video right here in case you want to know more apps you can download on your smartphones, and that is pretty much very cool. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.